So this is a PX100 camera I bought. It's missing a little piece of plastic there, and I'm going to 3D print a replacement part for that. See, the electronics are exposed. First thing I'm going to do is take a picture of it, and then I'm going to measure the length and width of it. Okay, so in 3ds Max I changed the viewport background to this picture. I already went ahead and changed it, but you select the file there and you select OK. So now you have this picture loaded into 3ds Max. So I went ahead and drew the spline exactly around the hole on the picture of the camera. So I went ahead and modified this a little bit so it matches the exact length. Remember, the picture I took could have been distorted, you know, based on the lens and the angle and everything. So I'm following the measurements exactly as I measured them, and I'm going to turn this into an OBJ file, which I can then import into the program called Cura. So in Cura you can take the exact measurements right here, and I gotta change this to 21 millimeters and 12.7 millimeters. So that's the final piece. There's some super glue on the edges there, but it's on there.